Good day everyone, welcome to another edition of CHY tutorials, and in these tutorials I'm going to teach you on how to buy CHY points with Ghana MTN Momo. So what you do is you dial *170#, you send. You can see you select option 2, you reply. Select option 1, which is Momo Pay, you reply. Then you enter the merchant ID. CHY merchant ID is 532814. 532814. Click on reply. Enter amount. So let's say the person I'm coming to register wants to do VIP 1, and the amount is 138.5 cedis. So I have to type in the 138.50 over here. Click on reply. Then the reference, I'll type in my username. This will enable CHY to credit my account with 25 CHY points. So phlegmatic is the username. So don't joke with the reference section. Enter your username over there. Then click on reply. Good. Now you can see you are authorizing payment of 138.50 to Zhang Yuan. This is the CEO of CHY Zhang Yuan. Good. Reference phlegmatic. You can see it over here. Then you click on reply. You enter your PIN. Then that's all. You wait for some minutes. Then your account will be credited with the CHY points. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back with another tutorials. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to be updated anytime I do tutorials. Bye bye.